Okay, so task.autoDetect controls enablement of provide tasks for all task provider extensions. If the tasks run task command is slow, disabling autoDetect for task providers may help. Individual extensions might provide settings to disable auto detection. Now, let me show you what this looks like. So we have a repository here, and we have a few scripts in the package.json. And if we go and try to run a task, VS Code will give us all of these detected tasks, right? Now, if we set this to off and we only have on or off, I'm not exactly sure why this isn't a Boolean, but anyway, it's not going to show us any tasks. So I do find the setting to be useful. I don't need to change to this file in order for this to show up, but just want to show you the comparison. Now, the reason why you might want to set this setting to off is if you do have configured tasks and you do not want to see automatically detected tasks in the list. So let me show you what that looks like. So let's configure a task. Let's configure a build. I'm not gonna worry about correctly configuring the task. Just want something to show up here. And now if we try and run a task, we will have configured tasks, so it's only that one, and automatically detected tasks. And if we set this to off, now we only have the configured tasks and no more automatically detected tasks. Now, the tasks that you set on a repository can be inside a tasks.json file, inside the .vscode folder, or in the tasks key of the .code workspace file, if you're working in explicit workspace and you have that key there. Now, this is useful if all of your projects have a tasks.json file or a tasks object inside the workspace that you're using. Now, if not all of your projects have that, having automatic detection is really useful. So I'm leaving this setting set to true, and I would rather just not bother having the tasks, writing the tasks again, because VS Code will just automatically detect them from various places. So I think this is just easier to use.